What's up, guys? It's Gorilla Tag Theorist, and today I'm going to be playing Gorilla Tag, but with handcuffs on. I don't have them on yet, but when I do put them on, it's going to be crazy. So, what's going to happen? My only goal is to survive one round of infection. That's my only goal. Alright, let me put these on. As you can see, they're not real handcuffs, so I don't get banned from YouTube. They are not real handcuffs. Please don't report me. Please don't ban me. Alright. So, as you can see, my hands can't go this far. So, this is going to be interesting. I'm going to tell everyone in this lobby, can I have your attention?
No! I missed it!
Everybody in this lobby, can I have your attention?
No, shut up.
I'm wearing handcuffs.
My ankles got broken there.
I'm literally wearing handcuffs, so please. And I'm trash at the game. I'm wearing handcuffs and I'm trash. So. Hey, Red. Red, I'm recording.
Trouble right now.
Red, I'm recording and I'm wearing handcuffs.
You good?
It's hard. My only goal is to survive one round of infection.
You won't survive one round because
everybody comment below if I should do crazy. I'm doing a YouTube video. You shut up. Comment below if I should do some more crazy challenges like this. And comment below what that challenge should be.
We don't care if you're...
And they're real metals, so they're hard to break.
5 people and 1 person.
Oh no.
Try and climb down the walls.
Monkey? I think it's a new monkey.
Try. Wait, new monkey? That's great. Well, not for him.
Hey.
So
Lava. Lava.
Try and get on top of Stump with handcuffs on.
Have fun.
This handcuff hurts. No, please, bro. Please, bro. What the heck? Please, please. I'm doing a YouTube video. Do not tag me. Do not tag me. Please, do not tag me, bro. I just need to get on top of Stump. Please don't tag me. I'm scared. Yeah! No, bro. Wait, was that the last?
Yes.
This might be the shortest YouTube video I've ever released. As you can see, I took the handcuffs off because I was the last person to survive. You know what? I'm just gonna make it 2 rounds. Put the handcuffs back on. I'm gonna make it 2 rounds. Lava Monkey, do not tag me, please. I'm putting handcuffs on.
I'm going backwards. I'm like having my back on the wall.
Yeah, we're about to...
Monkey! Behind you, little monkey. Monkey.
Anyone want to do
I'm gonna try and branch.
Are you new?
My best bet is to get on top of tall tree or treehouse. But it's gonna be hard with handcuffs on. It's gonna be so hard.
Why are you leaving?
Oh yes. I'm gonna have to try my hardest, bro. Bro, I can't even like.
I'm not going to.
No, bro, no.
Goodness, bro.
I just want
Don't you dare.
Oh,
Please, scary.
please.
Please.
Hey.
Please, bro, don't tag me. I have handcuffs on. Thank you.
Dang! No!
Ding dong, ding dong.
Oh!
No one seems to be going up here, so I'm gonna go up here.
I just got my controller.
I'm actually getting kind of good at this.
I just got my controller myself.
Get your booty back over it now!
Wait, red.
No, bro. Okay.
Red.
It's gonna be so hard to climb double walls if I did.
Oh, no way.
2 people left. 1 person left.
No, bro. No, bro. No, bro.
Friends.
No, bro. Don't tag me. Don't tag me. No. Wait, I was the last one.
Blackbird. Yes, you were. You're not a sweat like
Let's go. I can. Bro, I had handcuffs on.
Came in.
No, duh. No, duh, buddy. Actually, I'm just gonna make it 3 rounds. Because my strategy seems to work.
No.
Bruh. Actually,
Yeah,
never mind,
no.
too. Bye, guys. Gorilla Tech Theorist. Oh, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I just destroyed my controller. Bye.
Yeah, no one